I'm going to share the key healthy eating habits that have completely changed my life, and I promise you'll find them easy to stick with. As we all know, eating healthy is crucial for our overall well-being and longevity. It's no secret that a balanced diet can boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and even help us live longer. But let's be real, making healthy choices isn't always easy, especially with busy daily schedules pulling us in every direction. Many of us struggle to find time to cook nutritious meals, and fast, unhealthy food options are constantly around us. On top of that, there's so much conflicting information about what's actually healthy. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and give up. Busy lifestyles are a significant obstacle, but misinformation is just as challenging. We're flooded with fad diets and quick fixes that promise instant results but rarely deliver long-term health. The truth is, healthy eating isn't about following a strict diet or chasing trends. It is about building sustainable habits that truly nourish your body. So what are the most important healthy eating habits every adult should focus on? First, meal prepping. Setting aside a little time each week to prepare healthy meals can save time, reduce stress, and help you stay consistent. Next is mindful eating, slowing down, enjoying your food, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Another essential habit is eating more fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day and try to include a variety of colors on your plate to get a wide range of nutrients. Don't overlook whole grains. Either simple swaps like choosing whole wheat bread over white or brown rice can make a big difference over time. One powerful insight that can dramatically improve your eating habits is to focus on whole foods rather than processed foods. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. Processed foods are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excess salt. Making this shift can significantly improve your health, energy, and overall well-being. So to recap, the key healthy eating habits we talked about: meal prepping, mindful eating, eating more fruits and vegetables, and choosing whole foods are simple, realistic, and effective. You don't need perfection. You just need consistency. Start small, stay patient, and let these habits work for you over time. If you found this helpful, you're watching HealthyBillien, where we focus on simple, practical health tips for real life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. And if you want an extra boost on your health journey, make sure to use the link below for my recommended supplement. It's one I personally trust.